better just check your fridge on a hot day and there's ice cream in there. But it's not the ice cream you want. Well, I know how to solve that, mates. Let's make some.
You'll need some vanilla extracts, half and half, salt, some more half and half, measuring cups, Ziploc bags, and sugar. Get a measuring cup and pour 1/2 cups of milk into it. Then pour it into a bowl. After that, get half and half cream and take 1/2 cup and pour it into the bowl. Take 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Get 1/2 tablespoon of sugar and put it into the bowl. Get a stirring stick and stir for 15 seconds. Pour the mixture from the bowl into a quart-sized Ziploc bag. Deflate the bag. Then take 1/2 cup of salt. Make sure to even out the measuring cup. Add the salt into a bag of ice. Make sure the bag of ice is bigger than the quart size. Tuck it in. And make sure to deflate that too. And shake it.
To understand how ice cream is related to chemistry, we need to understand what a melting point and a freezing point are first. The melting point is a temperature that changes the substance from a solid to a liquid state, and the freezing point is the temperature of the reverse change from a liquid to a solid. And the substance in a solid state are molecules that are tightly together, just like the diagram below. During the solid state, when the temperature is increased, the energy gets increased as well in the form of heat. Once the temperature and energy are equal, it creates a melting point. The melting point then causes the molecules to separate, but only the ones with enough energy. The molecule separating causes a transition of a solid to a liquid state. But if the level does not stay the same, it goes back into a solid state. When salt or sodium chloride is added, it separates into its own ion. those ions make our ice freeze. The more salt that is added affects the freezing and melting point of the ice. The ice gets its energy from the cream in order for it to melt. As ice gets its energy from the warm cream, it changes from a solid to a liquid state, but then the cream eventually loses its energy. Once it loses its energy, it changes from a liquid to a solid state. The ice cream is made up of liquid from the milk, solid from the ice crystals, and gas from the air bubbles. This whole process creates some yummy ice cream.
This is the best ice cream I have ever tasted.